How to create a poll on Telegram on the iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First of all, open up Telegram, then open up your Telegram group. Next, in the lower left corner of the screen, tap on the paperclip icon. And then at the bottom, tap on poll. Next, input the question right here, then provide the poll options. And decide whether you would like for votes to be anonymous or not. And also if you would like to allow multiple answers or not. And last but not least, if you would like to make your poll a quiz, then you can also toggle on quiz mode. In our case here, this would obviously not make sense, because the question that we have here on top, do you like this tutorial, is obviously not really suitable for a quiz. Once you adjusted everything to your liking, tap on send in the upper right corner of the screen to create the poll. The poll will then appear in your group. And this is how you create a group poll on Telegram on the iPhone. To create a poll in a Telegram channel, you can actually use the exact same method, so the process is exactly the same. And this is how you create polls on Telegram on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Telegram tutorials.